Hi everyone, this is Dr. Megha. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be breaking down 3 best ceramide and barrier repair moisturizers that actually work. And I'll not only be showing you the product, but I'll also give you a detailed review about the product. So do watch this video completely, and for more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video now. So before we jump into the moisturizers, let me tell you why is our skin barrier that important. So your skin barrier is like a protective shield. When it's healthy, your skin will look glowy and plump, but when it's weak, your skin will feel dull, dry, irritated, and even cause acne. So a good barrier repair moisturizer must have ceramides to repair and strengthen your skin barrier, and it should have humectants like hyaluronic acid and glycerin, which pulls in water and keeps your skin hydrated and plump. And it should also have soothing and calming agents like aloe vera, colloidal oatmeal, which helps in calming red and inflamed skin. So now let's see which moisturizer provides all of them. So let's start with the first moisturizer now. First moisturizer is going to be Dot & Key Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Barrier Repair Moisturizer. This moisturizer contains 5 essential ceramides, probiotics and hyaluronic acid, which helps in repairing your skin barrier and also provides that hydration to your skin. So let me show you how this feels on your skin. As you can see, it's a very light cream which spreads easily and absorbs easily into your skin, and which leaves your skin very hydrated and glowing. It absorbs within seconds without the feeling of stickiness and no heavy feeling. So this moisturizer is fragrance free, so even sensitive skin type can use this moisturizer. This moisturizer helps in repairing your damaged skin barrier, and it also leaves your skin smooth and hydrated. So you can use this moisturizer if you have dry skin, dry to sensitive skin, or combination skin type. So it's a great lightweight moisturizer to even use it in daytime. So let's jump into the second moisturizer now. And the second moisturizer is Recool Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. It contains ceramides, hyaluronic acid, mango shea butter, and also omega fatty acids. So let's see how this feels on your skin. This one is more thicker and creamier than the Dot & Key's moisturizer and takes a little more time to absorb into your skin. And you can see how it forms a cushiony layer on the skin, which helps in retaining moisture. It takes a few extra time to absorb into your skin properly. Once it sinks in, your skin will feel hydrated and comforted. So it's best if you apply it on damp skin so that it seeps into your skin quickly. So another thing which I wanted to mention about this product is it has fragrance in it. Yes, it has fragrance in it. If your skin is sensitive to fragrance, do avoid this product, but it has a very mild fragrance. Even I have dry and sensitive skin, but it works really well on my skin. So you can give it a try if you are not allergic to fragrance. So it's a best winter moisturizer for that extra nourishment you need. So give it a try if you want a good hydrating moisturizer and if your skin is very flaky and dry. So let's jump into the last moisturizer now, which is Aveeno Skin Relief Moisturizing Lotion. This moisturizer has colloidal oatmeal, shea butter, which is anti-inflammatory. It calms red and irritated skin, and it also has glycerin, which is a humectant which draws moisturizer and locks it into your skin to provide that deep hydration to the skin. So let me show you how this feels on your skin. So it's a very lightweight moisturizer. It spreads easily onto your skin without making the skin feel heavy or greasy. And it feels very cooling and calming on the skin. This moisturizer suits dry skin, red, irritated and inflamed skin. If you have dry acne prone skin, even then you can use this moisturizer. And if you have eczema prone skin, even then you can use this moisturizer. It instantly calms your redness and irritation. And even this moisturizer is fragrance free, so you can use this moisturizer even if your skin is sensitive. So those were my top 3 ceramide and barrier repair moisturizer. Remember, a healthy skin barrier is the foundation of glowing skin. So choose your moisturizer wisely. Comment down below and tell me which one of these products you have used before. And if in case you have any doubts regarding anything in this video, do let me know in the comment section. And if this video was helpful, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye.